This video I'm going to be talking about what keywords are. So keyword research is one of the most valuable and high rate of return activities in YouTube marketing. That's what makes keywords so very important. And keywords essentially are just the words and phrases that internet users type into search engines like Google to find websites that match what they're looking for. So keywords are important because search results matter. You will find that a large percentage of your traffic comes from search, and this is why it's important to get the right keywords in order to optimize that search traffic that's coming in. Search is the #1 driver of traffic to your videos. Over 90% of YouTube users use search. Billions of searches are done each month on YouTube. Ranking in search is huge. There's a huge difference in ranking between those results that come up on the first page and those that come up afterward. Quite literally, if you come up on the second or third page, it doesn't even matter if you come up on the second, third, fourth, 10th, or 100th page. The first page results are what matter. There are some keywords that get hundreds of thousands of searches done daily. And depending on what the word is, it can be either highly competitive or not so competitive at all. That's why keyword research is so essential in getting those right keywords placed within your videos in order to rank higher and better within search results. These are the terms that users are using to get and find content online. And these are the terms that they're going to find your content online by using. So keywords are important, and we're going to take you through all the strategies, techniques, and ways to get keywords, to research keywords, and to find the absolute best keywords for your videos in order to fully optimize them. Having the right keywords is a difference in traffic for your videos. So spending time to optimize them properly, to research them properly, is well worth the effort.